Hi, this is Gunasagaran, Assistant Professor for Mechanical Engineering at SNS Institution. Now we are seeing about reflection and rotations. It is nothing but it is like a geometric transformation, reflection and rotation. These transformations change a shape, position and orientation without altering size. Okay, understanding them is essential in geometric as real world applications in computer graphics, robotics and designs. Okay, here seeing about there are especially useful in understanding how shapes behave under movement and spatial manipulation. In CAD/CAM, this concept aid in designing and programming machine parts, verifying design geometry and simulating movement. Throughout this session, we will exploring the definitions, key properties and practical applications. How component from complex operations. Okay, here it is used for application, computer graphics, robotics and animations. Okay, then understanding reflection in geometry. Reflection is a type of transformation that produces a mirror image of a shape by flipping its over specific line called as line of reflections. Okay, every point in the original shape is mirrored across these lines at an equal distance but on the opposite side. Okay, reflected shape are to the original, they maintain the same shape and size but they have opposite orientations. Okay, reflections is common in everyday visuals like symmetrical letters, example A or M. Okay, and in reflection session in water or mirror. Okay, then understanding rotation in geometry. Rotation is a transformation that turns a shape around a fixed point called the center of rotations by a certain angle and directions like clockwise or counterclockwise. This angle usually measured in degrees or radian. The key properties of rotation is that a presence of shapes and size. The rotated figure is original but its orientation and position may change. Okay, here by understanding rotational symmetry and its effects, designer can develop parts that align precisely in assembled system. Rotation is fundamental in animation, game development and visual simulation too. Okay, then combining transformations. Okay, transforms can be represented using matrix. Okay, which makes them easy to calculate and combine mathematically, especially in software and digital modeling. A transformation matrix can handle reflection, rotation, translation or scaling operations. Okay, by multiplying multiple transformation can be applied in sequence, enabling complex motion and pattern creations. Okay, then finally we are seeing about symmetry and transformations. Symmetry is a key geometric concept closely tied to transformer like reflection and rotations. Like symmetry also called reflectional symmetry. Okay, occur when a shape can be divided into the two equal that mirror each other. Okay, rotational symmetry exists when a shape looks the same after rotation or less than 360 degree. These concepts are deeply embedded in agriculture, art, biology and engineering. For instance, building, tiles, logos often use symmetrically to Achieve balance and appeal in CAD CAM. Okay. Okay, thank you.